Before you start, make sure your device is running Windows 10 or later. First, go to our official website, X-VPN.io, and open the Windows download page. Click the download button to get the exe file and complete the installation. You can also get X-VPN directly from the Microsoft Store. After installation, open X-VPN. Tap Continue to get your X-VPN Premium account or sign in. Or just return for free servers with no registration required and unlimited data. Click the Connect button and you're ready to enjoy secure online browsing. Before connecting, you can also go to Protocol under VPN Settings and manually select our self-developed Everest protocol or other open-source protocols. X-VPN offers over 10,000 servers across 80+ countries for security, streaming, unblocking, and gaming. Powerful security tools help keep your online experience safer and cleaner. Smart routing features give you more control over your traffic. Learn more about all the features we offer on our website's features page at xvpn.io. Get started now and enjoy a safer, faster, and more private online experience with X-VPN.